Hi, do you know it's very much necessary that when you get a new phone that you need to sign in your Gmail account? It's very much necessary. And doing that will help you to secure your informations whenever it's needful. Most times you might like to switch on from another phone to one another. When you have your Gmail working, it will help you to retrieve your contacts and you don't need to stress long. If you try saving on your SIM card, saving on SIM card is actually good, but it has limitation. Saving on SIM card can only contain 200, maximum of 250. But with your Gmail account, you can save as many as you can save the entire world on it and it will never be full. That is why it's very much necessary. Moreover, you have some apps that are very necessary that you use on your phone. For you to download them, you need to sign up. So with this, it will help you to download those important apps. Downloaded from anyhow website wherever is not sometimes secure for you. You can download some files that are not good, that are harmful, that will just harm your phone. So it's very much recommended that you sign up your account, and I am going to show you how you will do that so easily and so simple. So follow the instruction and you will get from it. Thank you. Now here are the settings. Let's go. Open your task. This up task bar, you need there is icon here. You just tap on it. This has a grab icon. You tap on it. That is the setting. Either you go through the other way or you follow these steps. This is a shortcut that I normally use. So you open it and you scroll down. Check where there is account. Once you open account, these are your account, the account that exists on my phone currently. You can see there's no Gmail on it. I cleared my Gmail so that I'll be able to sign up a fresh one so that you follow the same step and get it done right away. Now, coming close to this place I'm tapping at now, you can see where my hand is pointing at. Add account. Just tap at it. When you tap at it, it opens this way. Now check this goggle. Tap on it also. Make sure your internet is switched on. Once your internet is on, it will start loading. The loading will commence immediately. Now, it has prompted me to put my old email or my phone number that I registered with. But in this case, I want to start a fresh registration so that you can go on with it. If you have email and you remember your password, even if you forget your password, just tap there and put your just tap here and put your email or your phone number. Then it will direct you for retrieval. If you have the password correctly, you just insert it and it will open immediately. But now I am going to create a fresh account so that you will learn how to do it yourself. Touch and create account. You say for myself, for my child, for my to manage my business. I want it for myself, not for my business. Now he asked me my name. The name I am going to use, let me use my business name. Android. Android. Android key. Let me use keys. Now, that is the name I'm using right now. It's asking for this other basic information, my birthday, and my gender. I'm using mail. Let's put January 28 and 2000. Please, this is not my current, and I'm not going to use this mail after opening it. I will still close it back. I'm just using it for tutorial purposes. Please don't send mail to it because it will work. I am not making use of it. Now let's continue. Now it has opened suggestion for me. But I love creating my suggestion by myself so that it will be easy for me to memorize. So using this, except I will write it down, but I'm going to create my own. So I tap on create. I will use key, sorry, key Android. Key Android at gmail.com. Let me check if whether the name is available for me or I should change it. Okay, the name is not available. Now I have to put a number to make it work. Key Android 1. Key 1 Android. Let me use this. Wow. It refused it. Key 101 Android. 101 Android. 101 Android. Wow. Let me use hard rock. Hard rock 201. Okay, this one has come. Now I have to insert password. Yes. Now I put my phone number. Yes. A text message will be sent to me. Now it has come out. Next, you try and read all this information so that you keep yourself not to offend the guideline given to you. I agree. Still hold on. Now, now the setup has completed. Now with it now, I can check the Play Store now, and I can now make use of it. Without this, without setting this up, this will not open. It must ask you to set up. So automatically this is accurately working now because the setup has completed. I believe this tutorial is helpful. Please like and share. Tell your friends there's solution, there's alternative for their mobile phone operation. Any of them that is having difficulties, please come down below and ask your question, and a good response will be granted to you. Thank you very much.